Today I'll be talking about. Hello, my name is Santiago Rincon, and today I'll be talking about Chapter 7.1, the hypothesis testing for a mean. So, first, we need to know what a hypothesis test is. So, a hypothesis test is defined as a process that uses sample statistics to test a claim about a value of a population. So, before we move on, we need to know some things for a hypothesis test. We need to know a statement or a claim about a population parameter. Then we need a pair of hypotheses, one that represents the claim and the other its complement, or the null and the alternative. Then we need to know that if one of these hypotheses is false, the other must be true. So, what is a null and alternative hypothesis? A null hypothesis, it is a statistical hypothesis that contains a statement that is of equality, such as less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. It is noted as seen here, HO, or H sub 0, or H naught. Now, alternative hypothesis is a statement of strict inequality, such as greater than, not equal to, or less than. It must be true if HO is false. It is denoted as seen here as HA, or read as H sub A. So let's move on to a problem. So now, a simple random sample of 10 people from a certain population has a mean age of 27. Can we conclude that the mean age of the population is not 30? The variance is known to be 20 and an alpha is 0.05. So now we need a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. Our null hypothesis is HO is the mean age equals 30. An alternative hypothesis is that the mean age is not equal to 30. So now we need to test the statistic. So we need to know the population, the z test. So z is equal to the x bar minus the mean over the variance to the square root of n. So now our x bar is 27 minus 30 divided by 20 to the square root of 10, which equal to -3 over 1.141, which is equal to -2.12. So this is our area rejection. So and our critical value is, or R, plus a negative 1.96, because if our data goes by the alpha of 0.05, our critical value is equal to 0.05. So if our testing goes beyond these points of negative 1.96 and positive 1.96, if it's less than negative 1.96, we would reject it. If it's greater than 1.96, we would also reject it. But if it's in the middle, we would not reject it. We would fail to reject it. So since our calculation of the test statistics is negative 2.12, we reject the null hypothesis because of our z-score of negative 2.12, which is the rejection region, which is inside the rejection region. The value of the significance at a level of 0.05. So now we must conclude. What do we conclude? We conclude that the mean age is not 30. Okay. And this is how you do a hypothesis testing for the mean. Thank you, and see you next week.